Whether you're starting out as a drummer, upgrading from air drumming, or just looking for a quiet way to jam at home, 2025 has some incredible, beginner-friendly electronic drum kits. We're talking mesh heads, USB MIDI, full kits with accessories, and even touchscreen controls. Let's break down the best beginner electronic drum kits you can buy right now. The Alesis Strata Club is one of the most advanced entry-level kits on the market. It features dual-zone mesh drum pads, so you can assign different sounds to the head and rim, great for expressive playing. The triple-zone cymbals, hi-hat, crash, ride, offer edge, bow, and bell detection with choke capability, giving you acoustic-like feel. Where it truly shines is the 144K multi-channel sample library, accessed through a color touchscreen module. This means you get ultra-realistic drum sounds across genres, from jazz brushes to metal blast beats. The 8-inch mesh kick pad gives you great rebound, ebb, and response. You also get comprehensive connectivity, MIDI over USB, audio outputs, aux-in, and headphone jack. Perfect for learners who want gear that won't need replacing when their skills level up. Tap the link in the description for detailed specs and reviews. The Donner Stead 70 is built for absolute beginners. It's a compact, lightweight kit with 4 quiet mesh drum pads, 2 responsive foot pedals, hi-hat and kick, and a solid frame that folds up for storage. It includes 68 plus high-quality drum sounds and 12 built-in kits, all adjustable through a user-friendly module. It also supports Type-C charging, making it great for mobile setups or small spaces. What makes this package stand out? You get everything: a drum throne, noise-isolating headphones, drumsticks, and melodics lessons, a learning app that syncs with your kit. So if you're short on space or on a tight budget, this is the easiest all-in-one solution to get started fast. Link in the description to check deals and full bundle options. The Fesley electric drum set brings more realism with its full-size setup. You get 4 mesh drum pads with excellent rebound and sensitivity, 3 cymbals with choke, 10-inch crash, ride, hi-hat, and a kick drum pedal and hi-hat controller that feel natural underfoot. The module includes 225 drum sounds, 30 preset kits, custom kit creation, and coaching mode. Plus, it supports USB MIDI and aux-in for connecting to your favorite learning apps or DAWs. This kit is designed to mimic an acoustic kit layout, making it easier for beginners to transition later to live drums. It includes a drum throne, headphones, and sticks, making it ready to play out of the box. If you're new to drumming and want a solid kit without overwhelming extras, the MUSTAR electric drum set is perfect. It comes with 8-inch responsive mesh pads, 3 10-inch cymbals with choke, and a real kick pedal, giving you more realistic control compared to pedal triggers. The built-in module includes 180 high-quality drum sounds, 15 drum kits, and support for USB MIDI, meaning you can easily connect to GarageBand, EasyDrummer, or Melodics. Build quality is excellent for the price, and the package includes a stool, sticks, power adapter, and user-friendly controls. If you're looking for quiet practice, rock-solid response, and recording-ready performance, this kit checks all the boxes. Check the link in the description for availability and setup guides. This expanded Fesley drum set brings the full acoustic layout into the electronic world with 5 mesh drum pads, snare, 3 toms, kick, 3 cymbals, ride, crash, hi-hat with pedal, and a powerful sound module loaded with 225 drum sounds, 25 kits, recording functions, and coaching mode. The mesh heads are tension adjustable, which means you can tweak the feel to suit your playing style, something usually reserved for mid-tier kits. It's also equipped with USB MIDI, aux-in, and headphone outputs, so you can practice quietly or record straight into your PC. This kit is great for beginners who want to grow into their setup. It's not just beginner-friendly, it's future-proof. You'll find the best bundles and support links in the description. All links are in the description. Check them out, read reviews, and get yourself started the right way. Comment below with your drumming goals for 2025. Are you just starting, returning to practice, or looking to jam at home?